Got an RC plane from AliExpress.
What type of plane is it?
It's a Cessna.
Cessna 172.
They all look the same.
Okay, let's unbox it.
You know what's going on.
Yeah. I have manual here. Yeah.
You're gonna crash it first day. And tell me to be careful.
Yeah, and there is, do you see, we can,
There's a wire like in World War II planes, I guess.
we can,
Control where the plane goes
yeah.
and like the other one, yeah.
I think it's throttle, and this one is
Yeah, well,
left,
obviously
right.
put on the wing.
It's wing, and it's manual. Like 10 toys. Screw this screws to its place. Here it's charger.
Yeah.
And where is the battery?
Battery is inside of here, probably. Yep.
Yep. Battery. We need to charge it with help of this charger.
We already charged it, so we don't.
Okay. It's like
we also need to put
charge it. We put it like here.
Other way. Never mind.
Yeah, and in the charger.
Yeah. Okay, now we put it in the gear.
Okay, put it.
I'm gonna bend it.
Maybe it's not this way, like this.
It's the same thing.
No, it's not the same.
Wow. And then the front gear.
Front here.
Like this.
You broke it.
What do you mean I broke it?
Yeah, it's okay. No. Okay, let's connect the battery.
Aperture. Yeah.
Put it back. And close. Okay.
A little more.
Bring for me 4 AA batteries. We did it. Oh, what we have here? Mod.
Wait, let's turn it on. The plane.
Turn it on.
It's on.
It's on.
Okay, we're gonna test it now. So.
Turn it on.
I turn it on.
Turn it on here. Battery is inside. Turn it on.
Yeah,
Check
okay.
the thrust. Yeah, a lot of thrust we have. Now we test what we test.
The vertical
Look at it.
stabilizer.
And horizontal.
Yeah, we check the stabilizers.
And Gigo is on.
Gyro
Is Gigo.
is on.
Gyro is on. Gyro is on.
Yep, it is on.
Yeah. Do you see? When I rotate it, gyro adjust the controls. Okay, let's fly it.
Let's try for gyroscope.
Wow.
Okay, never mind. Gotta get high for that.
Can you fly near us?
Wait, I'm gonna try to without gyroscope. Hold on.
Go to tak. Go try to attack the plane.
It's going for it, I think.
Look.
Yeah, no. 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 Or faster than it. Oh. Skill. But Baron 1914 colorized.
Ooh, look. Go try to attack your plane.
Yep. Well, I'm better than it. Just be better at flying, tool. Get wet.
What do you think about this plane?
It flies well. I mean, yeah, it does stall sometimes, but I mean, you just gotta like control the speed a lot. Yeah. And on landing, like to fly straight into like kind of do it a little down, but it's fine, I guess.
What is better, gyro or without gyro?
With gyro for like stable flying, without gyro if you're insane.
Insane.
Yeah.
You need to control your thrust.
You need to
and
control
speed,
everything.
And speed, everything. Like
No,
real plane.
thrust is fine, but like the elevators become like way more. Yeah.
No, it's like real fight without gyro.
Yeah.